So something to keep in mind during the holiday season this year is if you have family over, friends, you have a lot of people, especially if you're going to be doing a lot of cooking, your house is going to be using quite a bit more electricity than normal. With that comes the chance of your breakers tripping. Your breakers are devices inside your electrical panel that are made to turn off when there's too much electricity flowing. It's to keep the house safe. More people inside the home typically does mean more electricity usage. There are more lights turned on, more TVs running, just more electronics in general are being used. If you do plan on using the oven and the stovetop and the garbage disposal and all the lights are on, if you plan on doing laundry around the same time, there is a chance that you will trip a breaker. Just go down to your electrical panel and see if you've got a breaker that is in the tripped or the off position. You can kind of see these numbers displayed on the front of the breakers. That is just telling us how many amps of electricity are allowed to flow through that breaker. So if this breaker has more than 20 amps flowing through it, internally it will detect that and it's going to shut it off. And then that's why your lights or your whatever is going to turn off immediately. If you come down to the panel and you open it up and see that you have a breaker either in the off position or if it's tripped and it's kind of in the middle, then you have to flip it off and then back on, and then you should be good to go. If you ever have a situation where you try to turn it back on and it just trips immediately, that's when you're going to want to give us a call and have us come take a look at it.